Hey everyone, John Xiao here from JohnXiao.com, and welcome to my first Tesla Model Y modification video. In this video, I'm gonna change the wood inlay, this thing here, on the Tesla Model Y. Like, this is a really high-tech car, and I do love it, but the wood, it's just doesn't go. I mean, why they have wood, I really don't know. That's just strange to me. If I got the white interior, that wood would have been white, which would have looked better. And but I got the black interior, and they gave me wood. So yeah, we're gonna fix that right now. There are several ways you can change out the wood. The most common way is just use a vinyl wrap. So you just buy vinyl in any color or pattern you want, and you just vinyl over it. The problem with that is it generally requires a professional to install it unless you're really good at working with vinyl. So I wanted a more DIY solution, so I came up with, I found this, so check it out. These are end caps, and they just fit over the wood, and they cover it up, and they're just going to switch it to a carbon pattern. Yeah, so I could get this in carbon and gloss or matte. I chose the matte because I don't want any glare on my windshield, so I went with the matte. I figured that'll be a lot easier than gloss. But it's also available in solid colors as well. So you want white, yellow, red, that's available. And they're pretty easy to install. Like I said, they just double-sided tape. So all you gotta do to install it is pretty simple. They just go over. You just go over that, and they cover it up, and then they stick on. So let's install it. All right. The first thing you want to do is you want to wipe down this area to make sure it's nice and clean. I already did that. After you clean the surface, this is an optional step. You can use this what's called adhesive promoter, and this well, basically exactly that. It helps to create a more tighter bond between the glue and the surface. So let's apply that on. So we just spread this adhesive promoter throughout the surface. Yeah. Oh wow. Looks like it also helps cleans it as well. Okay. Yeah, that's good. These are in two pieces. So one piece for the left side, one piece for the right side. Basically, all you gotta do is pull out the tape and then fit it on there. So we're gonna do that right now. And we'll do a test fit on there. So that side goes there, and this goes here, and they meet right in the middle. Now, normally you would end up seeing a line right in the middle there, but since it's behind the screen, I don't see it, so I just see the carbon fiber, which is what I want. Yeah, yeah, looks like all fine. Okay. Then we just peel the tape off. And that one. Oh, this one's easy. Okay. Here we go. Wow. That's pretty easy. And what I would do is, as an additional touch, I'm going to apply some tape to hold it in place. I'll probably leave it there for overnight to make sure it bonds and holds. So I'm going to stretch it down. There you go. Pull it down and hold. There you go, nice. Now I'm just gonna go do the other side. So basically just repeat the same thing. Anyone can do this. I mean, if you do this with vinyl, odds are you probably might make a mistake, and then you're gonna ruin your vinyl, and then gotta order more vinyl. This, so much easier. Okay, here we go. that's awesome. Look at that. Okay, gonna apply some tape on there. That's it. that's right. So, all right. So yeah, I'll just leave these this tape on for overnight, and then tomorrow I'll take it off, and then we'll have a look. Okay, there it is. The finished product looks much better than the wood. Yeah, now it looks like a high-tech car. Links to these caps are available below this video. I got it from Amazon. It's cost like $50 or so. And you compare it to, say, getting a professional vinyl wrap, is cheaper and it looks every bit as clean. You could do it yourself. Now, I chose the two-piece, the left and right piece. There are single piece if you want the seamless look. You could buy a single piece, but they're over 2.5 times more money. And like I said, since you know, that line is blocked up by this screen, I don't really care. It's fine. I'll save the money. Why not? Right. So yeah, that's the first mod to my Tesla Model Y. Please subscribe to my channel because I will have more mods coming up. And if you subscribe, you won't miss it. JohnShepardJohnson.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you like that, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.